Hey, so I just wanted to show the CreateStudio community about Figma. I know a lot of you guys talk about Canva a lot, which Canva is awesome. I will not say that it isn't ever. But Figma is actually really cool too because you can kind of create the same idea as Canva, but all of these images are vector images, which obviously vectors can be scaled bigger or larger and they not lose quality. And then they can be exported as SVG files really, really, really clearly so that when you bring them into CreateStudio, they pop in there, no problem. So I'm doing a project for my company where we're grabbing YouTube comments from our community of all the thank yous and all the help that we've brought. So I've got the Figma app open, and the way it kind of works is that you create frames up here. And in the frame, so this is an entire frame, and then I've basically created all of the things inside of the frame with text, and these are SVG that I grouped together, so they're high quality images, and these are the profile pictures of the people in there, and then of course their comments that they made. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys how easy this is. If I made one and I basically just copy and paste. So if I hit Command C, Command V, this pops up right away. It has some super easy guidelines here that I'm using here to guide it up. So I have this one right here copied from this one, and so I'm going to take a new comment and I'm copying it over here in this is my other browser that I have on the other side. So I'm taking this comment right here and I'm going to add this to a new one. And you basically double click on that and hit Command V or paste, and then that text is in there, and it's set in the Roboto fonts, just like all the other ones are. So it automatically does that for you. And then I can take the name of the person who made this comment and just copy it into here and hit paste. And then I basically right click on if I right click on his picture and hit just copy image right there, then I can just double click here and paste the image in there, and it goes in perfectly. Alexa, stop. Sorry, I had a timer going. And so I just wanted to show this is how easy it was for me to edit this once I made this template. And then if I click on the frame here in this area right there, and hit export. So right here you have all these options for PNG, JPEG. If I hit SVG, export it out. Oh, sorry, I needed to rename it. This is comment 22 so that I stay organized. Click the frame, export it out, and hit save right there. Then if I go to CreateStudio here, grab my timeline, I'm making them just kind of all pop up all at once. And then if I go find the folder that they're saved in, which is right here, just drag it in, it adds it to the library down here. And then if I just throw it up on top, drag and resize it to the size of where is the edge? I don't even know where the edge is, but that looks good to me. And paste it in there. Do the things that we do while we're in CreateStudio. I'm trying to make it just like a barrage of comments popping up. Add the real quick scale animation that I'm doing here. And then if I just throw it up here, they're all just popping up like I want it to, in high quality SVG format. And that's the whole point that I'm trying to get across here, is that Canva is great. And I've had some issues when I export Canva as a SVG, but Figma really, really does well. And you can get a free account. I'm using the free account. Actually, my company pays for the pro version, but I also use the free account, and there's so many things that you can do in Figma. So I highly suggest you guys take a look at Figma and how it works seamlessly with CreateStudio. So All right. Take care.